In previous video, we learned component of network where we understood host, server and client. So today we learn our fourth topic of component of computer network, which is specialized hardware to carry out various roles such as establishing connections, controlling network, traffic, etc. So generally, whenever we want to connect the network or control the network traffic, we need many types of devices. These devices are called as network hardware. So there are many different types of hardware that required in a network. So in current market, there are many types of hardware available for forming a network. Some example of network hardware are NIC. Its full form is Network Interface Card. So it is a network card attached to the host, so to establish network connection. So whenever we want to establish network connection, we need NIC card or LAN card, which is used to connect the two different types of network. So it is very essential whenever you want to create a network, NIC card is must. Second is hub, switch, router. There are lots of hardware devices which we understand in detail on other videos. So these are the connectivity devices. Our next topic is communication channel. So how we can connect a host to a client or host in a network interact with other host and server through a communication channel or a communication medium. So from which medium we can connect our computer in a network? So generally we have two types of communication channel. Is either it can be wired or wireless. So a network can be a wired network or wireless network. So first we understand what is wired communication channel. So whenever host and server are connected with one another through guided media. Guided media means network cable. So any two computer or any two device is connected with wired or network cable, then such type of network or network is called as wired communication channel. So it is called a wired communication channel and medium. So example of wired communication media are twisted pair cable, coaxial cable and fiber optical cable. So in general, if in a network all computers or devices are connected through a wire, so such kind of network is known as wired communication channel. Generally there are the basic example of the cables: twisted pair cable, coaxial cable and fiber optical cable, which are the example of guided media or wired communication channel. And second is wireless communication channels, when host and server are connected with one another through unguided media like radio wave, satellite. So in a network, if all computers are connected without wire or without any media, or they are connected through a radio waves or a satellite, is known as wireless communication medium. Example of wireless communication media are microwave, radio waves, satellite, infrared waves and laser. In our general tendency, Wi-Fi device is called as wireless communication channel, because to connect any computer in Wi-Fi, no need for wire. So that's why Wi-Fi is also called as wireless communication channel. Our next topic is software. So whenever we want to forming a network, we need software. So the software layer of a network make networking possible. So after the all devices are connected, by the help of software layer, network will be possible. These comprise of network protocols and network operating system. So in terms of software or network software we have two comprise things. Protocol. So what is protocol? So a protocol refers to a pre-decided set of rules using which all party of network connect and interact with one another. So protocol means set of rules. So generally in networking we use different types of devices. So to interact different types of devices we need set of rules, and these set of rules is known as protocol. And second is network operating system. So it is specialized operating system that can handle networking task. So operating system which support all networking tasks is known as network operating system. So we have Linux, Windows Server 2000 and Unix are famous networking operating system in current market. So next is network services. These refer to the applications that provide different functionality over a network, like domain name system, DNS, file sharing, VoIP, voice over internet protocol. So if once the all network has been set up, all software has been set up, then different networks can uses network services. These services is called like domain name system, file sharing, user can share file, and voice over protocol, so they can also communication with the voice. So today we learn our all 7 component of network to create network. So we understand in previous video host, then second server, then client. Then today next 4 is network hardware, second is next is 5th is communication channel, and 6th is software, and 7th is network services. So these all are network component